Hello everyone, I'm Lonnie, and I'm back to share some delicious food with you. Today, we're making fatty beef with Enoki mushrooms. Without further ado, let's get started. First up, 230 grams of these beautiful Enoki mushrooms. We'll trim off the tough ends and give them a good wash. Then, we're gonna do some ninja-style chopping. Finely mince 10 grams of garlic, 5 grams each of ginger and green onion whites. For a pop of color, we'll julienne 5 grams each of green and red bell peppers. Aren't those colors just gorgeous? Heat up your wok or pot, add some oil, and throw in our aromatic trio, minced garlic, ginger, and green onions. Oh my goodness, smell that amazing fragrance filling your kitchen. Next, add 10 grams of Doubanjiang. That's our secret weapon, folks. It's a Chinese spicy bean paste that adds incredible depth of flavor. Once that's fragrant, pour in cooking wine. Pour in 500 milliliter of water and let it come to a boil. Time for our mushrooms to take a dip. Let these little guys swim around in that flavorful broth. Season with 5 grams each of salt and pepper. This is where the magic happens. For the grand finale, add 250 grams of beautifully marbled beef rolls and our colorful pepper strips. Give everything a gentle stir. We want each ingredient to dance together in perfect harmony. Once the beef is just cooked through, it's ready to serve. Friends, you must try our fatty beef with Enoki mushrooms. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.